right. One more time, I'll ask for prosperity on camera. Is everyone all right with me recording the session? Excellent. Thank you. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start screen share. And if I'm sharing the correct screen, I should be showing my foundational accessibility testing slide. Perfect. Okay, so this session will be divided into two parts. The first part will be I'm going to step through about a 10 or 11 slide deck explaining what foundational accessibility testing is and expectations of Octode and why this is important for shipping the best or most inclusive and accessible products we can. It is also intended to sort of demystify accessibility testing and to, if there are concerns or fears about it, like that it's this big onerous part of shipping, we want to reduce concerns and fears and to show that, hey, accessibility testing, there are some tricky parts to it, but that's where the specialists are coming in and doing more advanced testing with screen readers and assistive technology, and that the foundational testing really, as long as you have access to a web browser, can install a couple of plugins, you can do foundational testing and it can be distributed across your team. All right, so I'm going to start this presentation. So this is foundational accessibility testing. It's actually not the 12th of February, but it's pretty close. The first thing I'll talk about will be level setting. So we do foundational testing as part of the software development lifecycle on the VSP collaboration cycle. And this starts with Octode's expectation for accessibility defects. And Octode's stance is code quality, and that includes meeting Section 508 compliance. WCAG 2.0, Level A and Level AA, is the responsibility of each individual VFS team. Now, I don't want anyone to panic. If you've never heard that before, it's okay. We're going to take this one step at a time. The good news about foundational testing is it doesn't require any special tools beyond websites, a web browser, and a few browser plugins. Foundational testing can be a part of your daily operations. If you've got 30 minutes, hey, you can try your product out for zooming or for keyboard navigation. Or as I just discovered literally 5 minutes before this conversation, if you're on a Mac, there are ways to do color blindness testing based on system preferences, and I'll demonstrate that during the live demo portion. Foundational testing is really important for the accessibility specialists. When teams have done foundational testing, the specialists can come in during the VSP staging review and do advanced testing and get started sooner with screen readers. We can use more screen readers, more browsers, and more combinations. It frees us up to do mobile testing and mobile screen reader testing, and it just gives us wider and broader coverage for accessibility before your product is ready to go out the door. And I will provide the slides after, or I'll provide a PDF of all the slide deck, including this link to the foundational testing documentation VSP maintains on GitHub. So foundational testing has several broad types of testing, and we'll talk about each one and then I'll demo each of them in turn.